Hi guys, this is Leonard and welcome to LMS Vlog. And for today's episode, we are going to make one of the trending dessert in Japan. And it's probably the most complicated recipe ever that we will be featuring here at LMS Kitchen. Char! It's going to be the easiest recipe because we are only going to use 2 ingredients for this recipe. And what are these? Vanilla ice cream and soy sauce. Yes! We are going to make a dessert out of these 2 ingredients. Because in Japan, it's now a trend to make soy sauce ice cream. Narinig nyo na ba yun? Natikman nyo na ba? Pues, gagawin natin siya for today. So, finally, magagawa na rin natin siya. Kasi the first time that we bought vanilla ice cream, minukbang nila ng hindi ko alam.
Hi guys, good morning. So, we're looking for a vanilla ice cream because that's what we're going to use for our next LMS vlog recipe. Abangan! Gotcha! There, vanilla. And so here's what we've got. It's Nestle ice cream contains extra creamy vanilla flavored ice cream. So what's going to be our recipe? Keep on watching! Alright, so my beer is 362, the ice cream is 245. Ayan, wait na lang natin. Thank you. Alright.
And we're buying another tab of vanilla ice cream. So, we're looking for vanilla. Kasi remember, the one which I bought sa may CSI, nilagay ko sa ref. Kinain nila. Hindi ko alam. Pero okay lang naman. So, we're buying another tab of ice cream for our vlog. Ayan. So, let's go to the cashier and pay our groceries already. Ayan. So, buksan na natin. So, I'm using vanilla ice cream. Actually, any ice cream will do. But for me, I like the classic flavors. I don't like the complicated flavors of the ice cream. So, okay na ako sa vanilla ice cream. Masaya na ako sa ganito. Yung plain lang. Yung wala masyadong arte. So, ayan. Gagawa tayo ng 3 and then papatikim natin sa kanila. So, tigda 2 scoop ng vanilla ice cream. So we are going to make 3. And then there you go. And then, after natin siya malagyan ng ice cream, bubukasan natin ng soy sauce. So I'm using the regular soy sauce. It's actually a combination of dato puti and silver swan. So, ganyan lang siya. So, a few drops of soy sauce. And then after which, imimix natin siya. Parang ganun yung lasa. It's just like your salted caramel. Yung very creamy, tapos merong konting bite ng saltiness. Ganun yung makukuha mong lasa dito sa soy sauce ice cream. In fairness, masarap naman siya. It's good. It's good. You have to give it a try. Mama. Ayan. So, here's our own take of our soy sauce ice. It's good. And if you do love this video, please do like and share and drop a comment. At kung bago ka sa channel natin ito, huwag kalimutang mag-subscribe at hampasin ang notification bell para ikaw ay parating updated sa ating mga newly uploaded videos. Thank you guys for watching!